Hey guys, Chris here with Collier RV. So today we're going to do a new model unveil. So this is a Cruiser MPG. This is the new 2975 rear kitchen. So this is just a knockout trailer, just an awesome floor plan, lots of cool stuff. So I'll kind of take a quick walk around it with you. So as usual, you'll get a painted front cap standard, so not just a gel coat. This is actually clear coated, so you should have no issues with fade. You got the nice LED lights built in. A lot of storage. So they say 40 cubic feet, and you can see you got the little clothes hamper up here, and then you have tongue and groove plywood floor and your aluminum framed. So for a pretty good sized trailer, this is nice and light, 6,400 pounds. You will have a full length awning, and then MPG will do the wider door, 30-inch entry door with a grab handle. And new for this year, they've added the More Ride step above system, so that's definitely a great upgrade. They used to always just be regular steel steps, so big upgrade for the MPG. You also have new graphics for this year, pretty similar to last year, but a little different. You got alloy wheels, and then you'll notice there's 6 lug wheels. This is actually on 4,400 pound axles, so nice heavy duty. Suspension on here. So back here they have just a fridge. So they didn't go overboard on the outside kitchen because they didn't want to cut any of the interior cabinetry, but you will get a nice fridge, which I always think is the most important part of the outside kitchen. And then you do have a swing out bumper, so you can put a gas grill here, swing that out. You will have a propane connection underneath, and then they've added this leash latch so you can tie up your dogs or pets at the campground so they don't go running away. Spare tires standard on here, as is backup camera prep. And then another nice thing Cruiser likes to do, get all your water systems, power cord all in that same general area. So 30 amp power, cable satellite, city water, and then outside cold water sprayer. All right, so let's go check out the inside of this 2975. All right, so wow, this is just a spectacular trailer. So you're 6'11" at the apex of the roof on a barreled roof, so totally wide open floor plan. And this is pretty unusual for a rear kitchen to have this much counter space. So basically you have a nice dinette over here. Now this does not make a bed, this is a fixed table. But you have this extra little extension they've added, so really good prep space in here. You have kind of a bread basket area. Microwave, you can still easily reach it. And then just tons and tons of storage all throughout this kitchen. So really an amazing amount of storage. And then I think this back window is just amazing. You can imagine if you have a great view here, really opens up the trailer. And all these windows then will also open for airflow. All right, so they've gone to the EverChill fridge. So this is a 12-volt fridge, so this will run off battery. Which is nice because if you're plugged in, your batteries are charging. If you're towing, your batteries are charging. So not ideal if you're doing extended dry camping, but otherwise this is a great fridge because it's a little bit bigger than an RV fridge at 10 cubic feet. So a little more pantry space over here. And then this couch, so a 3-person couch, but this will still pull out as a trifold, so you can sleep 2 people here. And we had it out, you still have plenty of walking room to get to and from the kitchen. All right, so TV, this is on a swing arm, and then again more cabinetry. All your controls for your slide out awning, water heater, water pump are all right here. And then your radio will do Bluetooth, AM, FM, CD, DVD. All right, so you get the nice side aisle to the bedroom. So one of the great things about MPG is a king bed is standard and a residential size king bed, so it'll be easy to find sheets for it. Lift up, you'll have some nice storage underneath. And then ledges on both sides. They have regular 110 outlets and USB chargers on both sides. And they had some extra space, so they gave you an extra wardrobe and 3 more drawers. Really nice. And then I should note you do have a pocket door for some privacy. And then the bathroom. So plenty of room around the toilet, and then a nice big roomy shower. So all the extra headroom really works out well to have a nice big shower. So this is a really great new rear kitchen model from MPG. This is a 2975 model, and this is for sale at Collier RV in Rockford, Illinois. Thanks for watching.